Your Intrepid Camp Gear tent will be delivered via LTL freight with liftgate delivery. Prior to accepting, please inspect for any damage on the box or the tent itself. If there is damage, please reject the shipment and contact us as soon as possible. Cut the bands around the box and remove the top cover of the unit. Once the box is open, remove the other top packaging, and then remove the side and corner protectors from the unit. If you have a Geo Pro tent, you can go ahead and remove the cover. You will find the keys attached to the side struts of the tent. Remove these keys and go ahead and open the tent on the ground. Inside the unit at the front, you will find two things: your ladder, which includes all of the other relevant mounting hardware, and for Geo Pro models, you will also find the awning wire kit for the rear door awning prop. Carefully remove the packaging around your ladder to find the following items: the instruction manual, Geo tent mounting hardware, Geo tent accessories including your ladder bracket and handle, and on the Geo Pro model, you will also find the diesel heater port and a repair patch kit for the fabric of your tent. After retrieving your ladder and hardware, close the tent back up by zipping all the side doors, leaving the bottom flap open so air can evacuate. Grab the string at the rear of the tent and pull down until you can set the top lid onto the bottom lid. Tuck in all fabric around the tent and relatch the locks on either side. If lifting onto your vehicle with people, we recommend at least 3 to 4 people. Grab the tent at each corner, lift above your head, and then slide it onto the vehicle. You can also use a hoist system. We recommend using a 4-point hoist system, such as this option from Van Ultra. Go ahead and find your mounting hardware. Insert this hardware into the rail on the bottom of the tent. You will have to lift the tent at the rear to slide 2 bolts in between the crossbars. Measure your crossbar spread. We recommend at least 36 inches of crossbar width to carry our tent safely. Additionally, ensure your rack system contains a dynamic capacity of at least 165 pounds for the Geo 2.5 or Geo Solo, and at least 200 pounds for the Geo 3.0. We do not recommend any more than 32 inches of front and rear cantilever from the last crossbar underneath the tent. Measure this to ensure you are within proper spec. From here, you can find a common point on your vehicle, crossbars, or rack system to measure side to side and ensure the tent is centered on your vehicle. Grab a mounting strap and select the 2 closest holes that still allow the bolts to point straight down. Apply anti-seize to the threads if available, and go ahead and tighten 2 M8 nylock nuts to either bolt, securing the strap to the crossbar. Do not use power tools during this process, as this can lead to galling of the stainless steel hardware. Tighten your M8 nuts with the included 13mm wrench until there is about 5 to 10 degrees of deflection. Once you see this deflection, the strap is tight, and give the tent a shake to make sure it is secure on your rack. Slide 2 T-nuts into the upper track on the rear of the tent, and slide 4 T-nuts into the lowest track on the rear of the tent. 8 if you are installing an awning wire kit as well. The rear handle will be placed in the upper T-slot at the rear of the tent, and the ladder brackets and awning kit will be placed at the rear side of the tent on the lowest T-track. The ladder brackets may also be placed on the side if this works better for your use case. Using the included T30 Torx wrench, tighten all of the hardware until just snug and add an extra quarter turn to all of these pieces. When attaching your ladder brackets, measure them so the openings are 15.5 inches apart. To set your awning kit receiver blocks, measure 12 inches in from the corner of the tent and set there. If your ladder brackets are placed on the rear of the tent, these can be moved in to between 5 and 8 inches from the corner of the tent.